Washington state police officers faced a dangerous situation when an attempt to take a man into custody on a felony warrant quickly escalated. What started as a routine arrest took a hazardous turn when the individual resisted, leading to an unexpected and risky confrontation.
What's your name real quick, dude? Do you have an ID on you, ma'am? Huh? Can you look this way? I can't hear you. Oh, what's your first name? I can't hear you. Oh, it's Devin. Yeah, what was your last name, Devin? Devin, do you know Devin's last name?
Mr. Devin.
Yeah.
Not his last name.
What is it? Can we just go? No, you guys are trespassing. No. And I'm just asking for your name, that's all. I know your first name's Devin, right? What is it? And it's D-E-V-O-N, right? Okay, I'll be right back, okay? I'm just gonna give you guys a piece of paper. Hey, Clark. That's Devin. Last time I tried to arrest him on a warrant, he took a knife to his wrist, so the one in the gray. The other two dudes are good, but I just want to see about Devin. 244 records on Edvin. Yeah, I just logged a $10,000 federal way warrant. Can you confirm that? .44 copy. We're gonna work on getting them into custody. Okay. Yeah.
Devin, what are you doing?
No. You have a warrant. Devin, stop. Stop. Hands behind your back. We're gonna take you down. We're gonna take you. Get on the ground. Devin, get on. Hands behind your back. Hands. Devin, stop. Devin, stop. Put your hands behind your back. Hey, stop kicking.
Devin, release. We're trying to do
hands this behind your back, Devin. Let go, Devin.
Devin, stop resisting. You're under arrest.
Devin, stop.
Stop resisting. Watch that needle. Throw it. Nope, there's a few of them.
Let's drag him that way.
Devin, knock it off, man. Knock it off.
I'll switch. I'll let somebody else try.
Get in there and go. Devin, stop. Dude, watch the needle. Yeah. Devin.
44, we're struggling now. Hey, you guys need to go.
Get out.
Go. Yep.
Come on. Devin. Devin, you're under arrest, man. You're under arrest.
I got this arm. Okay.
Yeah. Go with whatever's in your hand. Devin. I got it. There you go. You want to stay with Devin?
Yep.
Move all the stuff away. One detained.
We'll just have to cut it off. Okay. With a knife. I'm good at it.
In a second here, we'll just make sure nobody got caught. Devin.
Okay, let's stand him up. Hey, go and sit up. Devin, come on, man. It's over. Stand up. 1, 2, 3. Devin, stand up.
Stand up.
Let's go. Hey, Joel, you want to go grab a car? You can get mine.
Devin's good.
Yeah.
Make sure you're not cut or poked anywhere, because you were like right next to her. So. You good?
I think so.
Because you were like right next.
That's fine. I don't think so. Does look like a needle prick right there? I don't know. What do you think?
It's hard to say. It could just be something.
Next, I have another one up here. I didn't feel it though.
Okay, and you're not like bleeding, like you're...
No.
It probably wouldn't be a terrible idea. Just to... You better see. You okay?
Yeah, I think I don't know if I got poked by a needle or not, but...
During the struggle, the officer was poked by a needle in the suspect's possession, raising serious health concerns. Medics were immediately called to the scene to evaluate the officer's condition.
Devin, you're making it hard, my man. You're gonna see the judge tomorrow.
No, I won't.
Good.
You don't understand.
I don't know, man.
Sure? Just have a look at it. Better safe than sorry. Who got poked?
It's a maybe. It's a maybe. So there's like 50 needles laying there.
Yeah.
I took my gloves off and I see a red mark, but
You squeeze it at all? Anything come out? No. Like,
squeeze it.
Like a pimple.
No, yeah, I was doing that earlier. I don't.
Dude, honestly, I would fucking go in.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. I would just go in.
Just for the hell of it.
Yeah, and here's the thing, they have to draw his blood too. So, they have to draw his.
If he's bleeding, can you guys do that? Are you guys phlebotomists?
No, and you can't take it from a wound anyway, but the hospital has to draw his, they'll draw yours, and then it's like a 1 month, 4 months, 6 months, and then a year.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Okay.
It's not fun, but it's worth it.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
LT. LT. Oh, sorry. So they're saying for if I go to the hospital, they got to draw his blood as well, so he'd have to go because they have to use like a comparison or something. Is that kind of what you're saying?
See if he has any bloodborne pathogens, which then put you on alert, but you still have to do the follow-ups, the blood draws.
So we'll get you to the hospital anyway, and then
Okay.
sit on him at the hospital.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he's saying he swallowed drugs, so we'll get him checked out for that.
They all do.
Sounds good.
Yeah. And then he's going to be in custody, right? Yeah. Is he in custody the whole time? Okay,
Yeah.
good. That makes it way easier for you because if he's not, they have to get his consent, which should be a pin.
Hey, what's your name?
Okay. You cool if I head there now? You want me to wait? You want me to?
Yeah, I would just head there now. Just wait for him.
Okay.
Hey, what's your name? Devin.
Actually, yeah, we'll take care of this. Yeah, I would head there
Okay.
now.
Okay. Cool.
And then just let them know that you probably got poked by a needle.
Okay.
And then get checked out.
Cool. Okay. I was gonna go to Dash and Pack. Do you think it would?
No, go to St.
St. Francis?
We're gonna say.
Okay.
Following their assessment, the officer was advised to go to the hospital for further examination and treatment.